So have you been wondering if a light skin could be converted to a dark skin in Photoshop? So in this video, I'm going to explain the tips you can use to convert your light skin to a dark skin in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. So once you have your image like this inside Photoshop, the next thing for you to do is to duplicate this background layer right here, which I'm just going to drag it to this point to duplicate the background layer. So the next thing, I'll come right here to my adjustment and I'll click on black and white. So before clicking on the black and white, I needed to add the hue and saturation, so I'm just going to close the visibility of the black and white. So once I close the visibility, I'll come back to this down background layer copy, so I'll come and click on my hue and saturation. So once I click on my hue and saturation, I'll come right here, then change it to the red, then I'll adjust this red to like -10 or -10 is fine. So once I'm done, I'll come back to the black and white right here, then I'll open the visibility of it so you can see how it's looking. So once you have this look right here, you shouldn't worry. The next thing for me to do is to change the blending mode, which I'm going to change it to multiply. So once I change it to multiply like this, you can see it's actually really dark. So I'm just going to reduce the opacity of it to about 75. So 75 is fine. You can see the before and you see the after. It has actually come out. The melanin skin tone is actually coming out a bit. So I'll come to my color balance right here and I'll play with these settings. So there is no fixed settings for you to use. So once you just click on the color balance, you just play with what you have here. So I'll take the magenta up a bit, then I think this is too much. So I'll come back, select the 3 adjustment I've done, then I'll drag it down to this point to duplicate or to group everything that I've done. So let me show you guys the before. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and this is the after. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in my next video.